Come on, Kiara.
Come on, Kiara.
Oh, she's drinking again.
Oh,
Get
good.
the puppy scoop.
Where's the pup? Where's the pea? The pea scooper.
Refilling, so. Refueling? She's refueling.
Dat kan film en...
You can't film it and puppy pee collector?
Don't think so.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Go. Well, okay. Wow. Oh, you smell. She's got gas.
Gabby?
Somebody has got gas.
Okay, instead of puppy breath, it's puppy
Yeah.
Yes.
Flat. Flatus. Which would you prefer? The aromatic kind? Or the no? What? You check her
Have you
out?
seen the new undergarments they have that are supposed to make your gas smell like mint or chocolate? I swear.
You must be joking.
Seriously.
Mic is on. Mic is on.
Sorry.
We're providing a service.
I am zipping.
just have informed the public about something
that they never knew about.
I'm zipping. That's it. I'm done.
This is your public.
every
This is your public service announcement.
None, yeah.
Gabby's still hiding me. Hi. Hi. It's okay. She won't hurt you. Like,
Oh, I read about it. Yeah, it came from the source.
Gabby.
Excuse me.
I'm trying for more snowman soup.
I'm gonna go for a pork chop in a minute.
Those are good.
They look good.
They were good. I had a good time with them. There were people who made fun of me for having it.
I don't.
I just heard your laugh.
But,
Did they censor the thing about the?
Yeah.
That is true though. By the way, I just.
Yeah.
what is true? Did I miss something?
I'll tell you later because I'm like.
Well, maybe for the people that